Alright, what's up guys? This is my new bike check. Got some new parts. Let's go over it again. I'll start from the front. I have purple animal Edwin grips. I like them, pretty comfortable. The Coalition Holy Cross bars with an Odyssey white linear cable. I have the Primo annihilator stem white going down to the Odyssey director fork. The front wheel is the Odyssey Aitken tire with a Odyssey quadrant rim down to Odyssey front hub. Animal. You can see the animal right there. Maybe this thing's crappy video camera. Animal headset. I have the blackeye killerado frame in gray. It's pretty sweet. I like it. Odyssey seat with a stump seat post. I don't remember what it is. My friend gave it to me. I have Odyssey twisted PC pedals with a proper sprocket in white with a KMC chain. The cranks are just, I guess I don't even know, crappy. They don't even say there's nothing on there. I don't know, they're off my old bike, so if there was anything I changed on this bike, it'd be, I guess, the cranks. The back is an Odyssey Pat tire with an Odyssey quadrant rim and then Odyssey rear hub. Yeah, that's basically my bike. It's pretty sweet. Rate and comment and stuff. Tell me what you think about it. Tell me if you think I should change something about it or whatever. And yeah.